Step into the Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, glacier metallic clear coat, connectivity, bridge solution, global telematics box module, TBM, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel gloss black exterior accents exterior mirrors with supplemental signals vinyl door trim panel black accent stitching altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.